My name's Jayson, and I was brought into Sharp Memorial for a mitral valve repair. I didn't go for a checkup for about 2 years. I missed my in-between, and when I decided, okay, we got to go get checked out, they found the valve leak. I didn't realize there was really anything wrong. I just thought I was 53 years old and I'm just slowing down. And so I was still surfing, I was still going to the desert, I was still working on cars, I was still doing everything I normally do, just a little bit, I guess, winded.
Not only does the robotic approach allow us to repair valves that we would otherwise not be able to do, but the benefits for the patients are substantial. There's a reduced incidence of postoperative complications. The stay in the intensive care unit is shorter. The overall hospitalization is less. Patients have fewer blood transfusions and other complications, and they get back to their life and activities more quickly.
So things have changed for me. Like, I feel like I'm sleeping better now that we're at full capacity again and it's working the way it should. Yeah, just in general, I just think I feel better. I just feel healthier. I feel happier, yeah, all around.
The prognosis for Jayson is excellent. Based on the repair that we were able to do, I would expect that this valve repair will last him a lifetime.